that's on track. You see our lap times, and it'll be telling us if we're faster or slower than the previous lap and all that good stuff. So you can plan for that if you want. Like the want to do that stuff. All the gauges look good. Tire pressures are great. We got two. Let's go on track.
This is so exciting. That was cool. I love that. I'm just smiling through here. Yes. No, absolutely. Give me more time than me. Thank you so much. Now I want to learn how to drive. Oh, okay. I love all the communication. Oh, that was so cool.
So yeah, first impressions. What do you think?
Incredible. I already said that now it makes me want to drive.
I secretly think that's what your husband was hoping for.
Oh, he knows. I'm an adrenaline junkie. I love this stuff.
Yeah.
I love heights. I love roller coasters. And
Yeah.
I grew up around offshore racing boats with my dad.
Oh, really?
And my brother loves cars. All of his friends tracked their cars growing up. So
Seriously. All right.
I'm into all this.
Well, I got to tell you, when I do ride-alongs, I can feel, if somebody's really liking it or if they're just kind of enduring or they are thrilled, and you're in the thrill category, right?
Oh, yeah, absolutely. 10 out of 10, no notes.
That's good. All right. I'm probably going to have to loosen that helmet up for you because if you've never had one, it's hard to figure out how to get it loose. Tight. This thing back in. Back in. There you go. Yeah, can you start thinking that?
Yeah, I think. There we go.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
Excellent. Good job. Good job. All right. Let's see. What time is it here?
It is 11:20.
11:20. It goes at 11:25. Perfect. So I'm just going to show you this real quick.